In the electronics manufacturing industry, IPC Class 3 is recognized as the gold standard for high-reliability products. Today, we're taking you inside PCBasic, a factory focused on small and medium batch PCBA, to show how we practically meet IPC Class 3 requirements at the solder paste inspection stage. What is IPC Class 3 and why does it matter? IPC standards are the universal language of quality in global electronics assembly. IPC Class 3 is the most rigorous classification required for mission-critical applications like aerospace, medical devices, and defense systems. Many believe only large-scale manufacturers can meet these demands, but at PCBasic we prove that even small batch production can be built to the highest standards. SPI inspection, the IPC Class 3 challenge. SPI, or solder paste inspection, is the first critical step in surface mount technology production. IPC Class 3 sets extremely tight limits at this stage. Paste area error 15. Paste height error 10. Alignment deviation less than 25 mm. Bridging or collapse equals immediate rejection. These strict requirements demand not only precision machinery but also process expertise at every level. At PCBasic, we rely on 3 key strategies to achieve Class 3 compliance in SPI. We use stepped laser cut stencils tailored for each component, reducing the risk of insufficient paste or collapse. Our SPI systems are configured with Class 3 tolerances to flag any deviation in paste volume, height, and alignment. SPI data from every PCB is logged to our MES system for SPC trend analysis and early anomaly detection. IPC Class 3 isn't just a certificate, it means every detail must be precise and robust. At PCBasic, this mindset is embedded in every print and every production line. No matter the order size, we commit to the same high standards. Want to know more about PCBasic's process control, quality management, or delivery capabilities? Leave a comment or contact us below.